Keeping your home clean can often feel like a never-ending task, but with the right tools, it can become a lot easier and more efficient. Introducing the Shark Steam Mop with 2 dirt grip pads. This innovative steam mop is designed to simplify your cleaning routine while delivering outstanding results. In this detailed review, we'll explore why the Shark Steam Mop is a must-have for any household looking to maintain pristine floors with minimal effort. One of the most compelling features of the Shark Steam Mop is its ability to clean and sanitize with the natural power of steam. By using just water, you can effectively cut through grease, grime, and stuck-on messes without the need for harsh chemicals. This makes it a safe and eco-friendly choice for homes with children and pets. Time is of the essence in our busy lives, and the Shark Steam Mop is designed to save you valuable minutes. The steam mop heats up and is ready to use in just 30 seconds, allowing you to tackle spills and messes as they happen. The on-demand steam function gives you precise control, so you can apply steam exactly where it's needed. The Shark Steam Mop is versatile enough to handle all sealed hard floors, including hardwood, marble, tile, stone, laminate, and vinyl. This adaptability means you can clean your entire home with one tool, eliminating the need for multiple cleaning devices. One of the standout features of the Shark Steam Mop is its XL water tank. With a large capacity, you can clean more floor space without needing to stop and refill. The removable tank makes refilling quick and hassle-free, ensuring you can get back to cleaning in no time. Weighing in at under 5 pounds, the Shark Steam Mop is incredibly lightweight, making it easy to maneuver around your home. Its sleek design allows you to reach tight spaces and clean under furniture with ease. The compact size and upright lock feature ensure that storage is simple and space-efficient. The Shark Steam Mop comes with dirt grip pads that are not only effective but also machine-washable. These pads provide exceptional absorption and scrubbing power, ensuring that even the toughest dirt and debris are lifted from your floors. The reusability of these pads makes the Shark Steam Mop an economical and environmentally friendly choice. Users of the Shark Steam Mop consistently praise its performance across various floor types. Whether it's tackling sticky kitchen spills or lifting dust from hardwood floors, the Steam Mop delivers impressive results. The quick heat-up time and ease of maneuverability are frequently highlighted as standout features, making daily cleaning tasks more manageable and less time-consuming. Conclusion: the Shark Steam Mop is an essential tool for anyone looking to maintain a clean and healthy home with minimal effort. Its powerful steam cleaning, versatility across various floor types, large water tank, and lightweight design make it a top choice for households of all sizes. Add to that the washable dirt grip pads and chemical-free cleaning, and you have a mop that is not only effective but also environmentally friendly. Ready to elevate your cleaning game? Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and discover how the Shark Steam Mop can revolutionize your home cleaning routine. Invest in the Shark Steam Mop today and experience a cleaner, healthier home with less effort. Your floors and your peace of mind will thank you. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.